Hi everyone, it's Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This week ending 10/20 of 2024, and the stock was KSS. I believe that is Kohl's. It happened on Tuesday the 15th. This is based on a daily chart transition B. Don't worry about that too much. And a 60-minute DTS breakout play, entry on a 15-minute secondary sign of strength, management advanced, and reward to risk 2.9 to 1. Two targets were taken, a third on the first, two-thirds on the second. What is free for DTS members this week? We have the bi-weekly scanning night on Monday, and the rest of the week is occupied with two events for DTS seminar program members. So that's all there's going to be. I'm going to try to work in a little impromptu night coming up. I don't know if I can get it in next week though because of all the events going on. This is the daily chart of KSS. This was not the source of the strategy, but the daily chart said, okay, looks good. This is kind of a possible longer term entry point in here, but I was just using it for a day trade. The real chart, that's where the stock opened and it left that big green bar that day. The real chart that I found when scanning for day trading is the 60-minute chart. My day trades originate on the 60-minute chart or the 15 sometimes. That is a setup that I like. That's the kind of setup that I just dream about at night. The next morning, luckily it didn't take off. It actually gapped down a little bit, opened right there. And that's what the 60-minute chart looked like after that trade. That's an exceptional move. That's a good move. That's what you always hope for. You don't always get that, but that's what's nice. Here's the 5-minute chart. And you'll see since you don't always get that move, I took my entry, there's where it opened, I took my entry right in there. That was not the best entry in the world. It was good, but it wasn't the best. I could have done a little better maybe, but I think I was looking at something else as well. I got distracted a little bit. That happened about 10 minutes into the trading day. Entry over 1938, stop under 1918. The trade's underway, and I did take a quick kind of cheap third right there because you get that big wide bar coming out of three green bars. Sometimes that sets the high of the day if it's not ready to take off this day. It's a nice chart. It was going to go sometime. You're never sure you nailed the day right. So take the cheap third. That lets me relax. I left for a while, came back just kind of luckily at the right time, got the second target just off the high of the day, and that was 2/3 for the second target. You can see the 1-minute chart a little better. It doesn't really help a whole lot on this trade. Entry there, 1-minute chart entry right there. That's that secondary sign of strength. Target 1 right there, pretty good target. And then target 2 is way off the screen there because it was at 20.28, closer to 11 o'clock. DTS Trading Room, if you like trades like this, not a hyper scalping room, not that there's anything wrong with that, but I'm a little more laid back. I take some aggressive entries early in the day. We let them play out for the most part, sometimes for the morning, sometimes all day. Come join us. You can go to the DTS website and find out how you can take a trial of the DTS Trading Room if you like to. If you like videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on the DTS website on the free stuff page, prior Trade of the Week videos, and also prior educational events. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.